Hi everyone, today I'm doing a makeup video on natural makeup look for college. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get started. I'm going to start with my under eye area. For my under eyes, I'm going to use concealer. It's from Maybelline Instant Raise Rewind in the shade Light. It is tinted concealer that covers your under eyes area. It takes care of dark shadows and spots of your face. I'm blending with my finger. To set my concealer, I'm going to use Studio Fix powder in the shade C40. To fill in the gaps of my brows, I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow color from my Maybelline palette. You can use any kind of dark brown color from your palette. I'm using with an angled brush. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using a kajal to line my lower waterline. I'm using today Faces by Canada long wear eye pencil in the shade Solid Black. This one is smudge proof, waterproof, intense color. Next I'm going to apply a cream blush. I'm using today the shade Soft Berry by L'Oreal Visible Lift. It's a nice, healthy, glowing pinkish color. It's quite appropriate for daytime. I'm using a blush brush. Now I'm going to do my highlighter with a stick highlighter. This is from Benefits. The shade is Soft Focus. You can totally skip this one because you know before I told you that I love highlighter. I can't go outside without using this, so that's why I'm using it. Coming to the next step, lips. I'm going to use the shade is Exotic from NYX. It's a lingerie collection. It's a nice nude color. I think it's a great color for everyday wear for fair to medium skin tone. Just finish my eyes and lips. You can see I'm not bothered with the eyeshadows here because really no time to getting ready in the morning. All you have time for just line up and mascara. For mascara I'm using Maybelline Volum Express Mascara. Now I'm going to make a ponytail. This is the most easiest and quickest style for your hair, and especially in the morning time when you don't have enough time to get ready. I hope you like the look I created and you find this video useful for your everyday morning routine when you head out for your college or office. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay with me. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon on my next video.